Hello everyone, my name is Sema Martin and I am a full-time artist and the proud author of the book How to Start an Art Business. I've created this book based on my own successful commission-based art business, and now I would like to help other artists follow their dreams and make money from doing what they love. This book contains literally everything that you need to know about starting an art business, from social media marketing to building a website and even using PR to build awareness for your business. I also have a chapter on how to acquire your customers and how to price your artwork. This book is available as an ebook and a physical copy, and with both purchases you get 6 downloadable documents which will help guide you through your art business and keep you on target. And if that wasn't enough help, I also provide you with an exclusive Facebook community group where other like-minded artists can get together and help each other through each stage of their art business. To everyone who has bought this book already, thank you so much for your support, and I'm so pleased at how much this book has already helped you. It's just what I was trying to achieve with this book, so thank you so much for trusting me and for reading it. Be proud to be an artist. Art is my career.